Hi guys, it's me. Today we are gonna play Subway Surfers.
Oh, you stole my idea, you mother.
I know I did.
Why is this?
You fat policeman, so.
I'm trying to change my name.
I know what to do. I used that one.
You could.
I don't
Yes, you could. I believe I could.
Oh my god, stop, you stupid game.
Oh my god, stop.
Shut up, Richard.
Yo, the infinite story, she got bored, bro. She got bored. And his videos take long to make. He gotta make a lot for 2 characters. And he violates. And he can rap fast. He raps fast. He can violate your ass.
Okay.
You think you good? Like that she had all that spit.
No! That dog is really ugly. Oh, I thought that was me. That's ugly. They're all ugly, actually. But who cares? This policeman should not notice me. Check out my fat friend's videos. His name is Richard, if you're wondering. Yeah, he's really fat, trust me. Are you serious? Stop jumping on my bed. He's ugly, trust me. Richard, oh my god. He's fat too. No!
I sting.
He makes videos too, but stop jumping. You're making noise.
You saw how high I jumped?
Lucky! Stop!
I need your computer fast. Why? Why I need a computer? Should I put my name?
Mr. Fat Boy.
Oh, the Marlon Albert. Yeah, that's the Marlon and Albert.
No.
It's gonna be a cute name. Oh my god.
They don't even know my name, so.
I'm
Bye.
gonna put your YouTube name. What's your YouTube name again?
I don't know.
Girl.
Ew, stop. They can hear you. And trust me, I'm not in love with them. Am I supposed to get them? That sounded like a...
This is Richard 101.
Shut up, Richard 101. Lucky this in my game. Because I'm awesome, you know. I'm the creator of this. Oh no! Oh, I'm lucky I made that. Why am I cuckoo? Shut up. Look, you made me die. Okay, bye everybody.
He's so